Well, hello, home builders. I know it's been a few weeks since we released a new episode on Vern's Garage. We've been really busy. As you can see here, I'm cutting some new or additional gusset joints to increase the stability of the structure. We also brought the Corvair motor out to J&M Machine Shop, and they're actually working on it now. Good news is the crankshaft was inspected and found to not have any cracks. So we'll be using the original Corvair block for the motor and the crankshaft. Everything else will be new on this engine. We spent a lot of time the past couple weeks too cutting insulation for the floorboards and for the sidewalls. We couldn't find the exact thickness that we needed, so we had to create some jigs to cut the insulation. It took longer than we had thought.
So this afternoon we're mixing up a little Gel Magic System 3 epoxy, and we're going to go ahead and glue the fuselage and the turtle deck together. Brett? Yep.
So stay tuned for the next episode of Vern's Garage, where we plan to install new control cables. We're going to put some seats, or at least templates for the seats, and install the firewall to get ready for the engine mount for the airplane. Thanks for watching.